on. Don't get your panties in a twist, would you? Hey, Bert.
What the hell is it?
Oh, I don't know. About $700, huh? Now, what can I do for you, Papa?
I'm here for the Civic. The brake drums are shot, and you need a new transmission.
What? All I wanted was an oil change.
Well, you're lucky you caught these problems now before they cause you some serious trouble. Sign right here and press down hard.
There's no price.
There will be.
I don't have a car. I have to have a car tonight.
Hey, yo! Bring around the loaner.
The loaner? The loaner?